Welcome to my YouTube channel today. I hope you're doing well and thank you for clicking into this video. Today we are going to get rid of bad breath. We are going to make a mouthwash with a home ingredients. We are going to use apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel today. I hope you're doing well and thank you for clicking into this video. Today we are going to get rid of bad breath. We are going to make a mouthwash with a home ingredients. We are going to use apple cider vinegar and baking soda. The reason why we chose apple cider vinegar, it's because it has a pH neutralizing agent, which is acetic acid. Bacteria don't like to grow up in acidic environments. That is why we chose it. We're going to mix it with baking soda. And the reason why we chose baking soda is because it has a balance in the pH level within the mouth. It is also neutralizes acid which gets stuck to the tongue, gum and teeth. What you need is just a cup of water, a teaspoon and another empty cup, which we are going to use to mix our mouthwash. So let's get started. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Remember, we're using baking soda, not baking powder. Yes, bad breath can be caused by plaque on the teeth due to bad hygiene. You have to brush your teeth very well, at least twice a day. It can also be caused by a type of food, for example, like garlic, onions, and blah blah. It can also be caused by issues of a gum. We're going to add 2 full spoons of apple cider vinegar. Remember, we are using American Garden. After we start mixing up them together, as you're going to see. Yeah, another one. As I was telling you, bad breath can be caused by a lot of things, but good enough, our home ingredients can help out. Please, if this is your first time here, please make it a point to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can always be notified when I upload another new video, because I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos for you. Then after mixing apple cider vinegar and baking soda, we are adding water and stir them well. Mix them well and ta-da! This is our mouthwash today. Please use this after brushing and make it a point to use it twice a day. I'm so sure you will get the results. Let's see how. Yeah, you put it in your mouth, then start sweetening it in your mouth for over 30 seconds before you spit it out. If this is your first time to listen to me or see me or click into this video, thank you so much. My name is Jemima and thank you for being with me from the beginning until the end. Please make it a point to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye bye.